Looking for inspiring gospel music, praise, and worship to uplift your spirit? This is the perfect collection of soul-stirring songs to connect you with God's presence. From heartfelt hymns to powerful worship anthems, these songs bring peace, hope, and joy into your life. Whether you're starting your day or seeking comfort in prayer, these melodies promise to inspire your faith and renew your spirit. Here's a list of gospel music, praise, and worship songs you must listen to. 1. Waymaker, Sinach. 2. Here I Am to Worship, Tim Hughes. 3. You Are Great, Steve Crown. 4. How Great Thou Art, traditional hymn. 5. No Longer Slaves, Bethel Music. 6. Oceans, Where Feet May Fail, Hillsong Worship. 7. I Surrender, Hillsong Worship. 8. Victory Belongs to Jesus, Todd Dulaney. 9. You Are Alpha and Omega, Israel and New Breed. 10. The Blood Will Never Lose Its Power, Andraé Crouch. 11. Lion and the Lamb, Leeland. 12. Alpha and Omega, Eben. 13. Amazing Grace, traditional hymn. 14. Our God, Chris Tomlin. 15. Great Are You, Lord, All Sons and Daughters. Subscribe now for more gospel music, praise, and worship that lifts your soul to higher ground. Let the music speak to your heart today.